What is it with Palawan and drones?
Yun na, nag-hiking na po si Nat.
Her drone landed automatically because we're near the airport.
Dito siya dumaan?
Oh.
Kaya niya yan, hiker yan eh.
Okay.
We're trying to fly the drone. And ngayon, malapit daw kami sa airport. So, nag-automatic landing.
Where could it be? Now sila kuya is helping out.
Andyan siya. And then nag-cut na. Pwede ba mag-alarm yun? How to find a drone that landed
Automatically.
home screen, profile.
You got this, guys.
Find my drone. I started flashing and beeping.
You hear it? Oh, there, kuya. Woo!
Teamwork makes the dream work.
We did it. Whew, that was only day one. Day one. What happened?
Daming adventure, guys. We just started.
Ginawa niyo.
But you have to look at the clips if it's like... Okay na. Yeah.
Yay.
So, if you want to find it, just put find my drone. Wow, she's the pro now of drones. Yeah.
Yay! Good job. High five. Good job, kuya.
Okay, next.
Yay.
Kinabahan ako.
Car
mahal ng
service.
drone. No, the good thing about DJI is it's really good like tracking service naman.
Why is it
Can
restricted?
we stand here on the car for better view? Pwede. There's a radius from the airport, so to avoid people from like getting
Near the plane and stuff?
going near the plane and then like activating a bomb and then launching it. Gusto mo pa talaga dyan, ayaw mo dito.
Alright.
Tapos ano na lang natin, when go na lang tayo drive.
Lower, lower.
Let's go, ganun ba? Stay in El Nido town proper. You like it?
That's
We haven't
true.
stayed yet. Oh, yeah, that's true.
We just changed the lobby.
This is our at
had
least
our
you know
water.
this is the neighborhood. Yeah. No, the question
Oh, you
is
can
how
see yourself.
Michael's first experience in El Nido town.
How?
El Nido.
Town.
So far, so good. 10 o'clock pa. Ay, babangga ka. Ay.
Sorry. Our tour guide, Nat. Where are you taking us?
I will take you to an overlooking restaurant
Ooh.
so that you could relax.
Oh, I saw
Are
it.
you scared of this? Yes. Why? Because hindi siya nakapatong na maayos.
By the way, she yelled, yeah.
Alright, let's cut. Where are you taking us?
Ganito parang church.
There's a really nice, apparently, hotel with a really nice top view or rooftop view.
I feel like such a tour guide. I'm like telling them where to take photos, where to have coffee. Hello. Do you like it here?
So pretty. Best. Alright, chill time. Time to take a nap.
Yes.
Show me your drink.
Cheers. Healthy juice. Parang bahay ni Kim Kardashian.
Ooh.
Yung puro ano sabi niya?
Can you show that
For
to
the
me?
staff, we had streusel, but they got overmixed, so it turned wet. So we made biscuits, and I'm practicing how to pipe.
Okay.
So I just wrote their names.
Oh, okay.
Nice place, no?
Yeah.
Wala na, mag-invest na kami ni Roel dito. So we're trying to figure out if we're going to do what tour tomorrow because there's a lot of tour shops
anong tour kami.
to do here.
Anong recommended mo? Kung hindi tour A, ano yung next best?
Kung gusto niyo po ng snorkeling area, best snorkeling area, tourist area.
Okay. O sina? Eh, paano kung wala kaming snorkeling, gear?
Magre-rent po kayo.
How much is that?
po.
How much?
100 each.
That's not bad.
Anong difference ng tour A sa tour C?
Yung Tour A, more on lagoons po. Big lagoon, especially. Yung Tour C, best formation of rock po.
Pwede ba makakita ng, kunwari, i-trade namin si, ano ba yung pinaka hindi maganda dyan? I-trade namin sa isang lagoon.
Oo.
Para lang may,
Combination na po yun, customized.
mas mahal
Magkano
ba
yung
yun?
customized?
Customized tour, mas mahal po yun.
Magkano?
Dagdag po kayo ng 1.5.
Oh, sige po, sige. Kung andun din kayo sa area. Okay po, thank you. Bye-bye. Bawal. Bawal, bawal.
Wala kayo.
Okay, so we are finally done with all the real estate stuff today. We've taken a lot of videos, drone shots, and now we are in Maramegmeg for sunset because this is such a great place to get sunset.
There you are! Where are you? Diba tawag-tawag pa kayo? Sunset! Oh, ganda na niya, oh. Are we gonna... Sana all...
Yeah.
Sana all fresh?
Yeah, sure. Let's swim.
Go! Game. You have to change first.
Are you gonna do
Happy hour?
today?
Oh, you should!
Are you?
Daming tao.
What's your background? Can I see?
How was the spot?
Yeah.
May
Nice, actually.
6 places total.
Oh, tiny! Because I actually brought something for you.
What is this? Tell me.
Tita boobs. No, something because I knew you're gonna wear something like that.
What's that? Wow.
I don't know if it's better for today or for tomorrow.
Yes.
I don't know if it'll fit. It's medium.
Wow.
Can I try?
Of course, I can for you.
Do it.
I like
Does that fit you? Maybe.
Try ko. And there's another one, which is this, but you haven't needed
Oh.
another, like, it can be with a yellow bottom.
Yeah, that's also nice.
Ano, suot mo? I have my own. I brought this for you.
Yay!
Try ko.
Which one? Try both. But I think this one's nice.
this one, kasi ito
makikita yung,
Parang ito na lang for, it's
our
up to you.
baby girl.
Actually, this could be better for island
Oh
hopping.
my gosh, real problems.
Yeah, or this could be better for island hopping.
Okay, ito na lang here.
Yeah.
Okay, tara na.
Okay, ito na sunset. Sige na. Bilisan na.
Tara na yung sunset shoot.
I'm ready.
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold, yet warm. When you hold me, when you close, I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Alright guys, so we're gonna end the day here in Maramegmeg. We're going to have dinner and then head back to where we're staying here in El Nido town. And then tomorrow we are going to go island hopping and we are going to be doing Tour C. I've never done Tour C before. I've done Tour A. If you want to check out that video, it's up here. And I love Tour A so much and I'm super excited to see what Tour C has to offer. So I'm gonna end this here and I hope to see you all in the next adventure. See you guys, bye!
Hope it's the last thing that I need. Wanna feel something that's real.